Back to even. So I messed up even a minute ago. Shh. So ignore the bottom of that video. So basically, if it's even, it's double whatever. So it's actually equal to 2 times the integral from 0 to a. Why is that an advantage? Because y'all are horrible at negative numbers, right? It's also just sometimes the math is a little easier if you just take half of it. And what half are you going to take? You're going to take 0 to a, because is that a lot easier? So for 3, am I going to just do this? So I'm going to do this integral. I'm going to do 2 integral from 0 to whatever a is of 3 dx. Is that going to be easy? Right? Okay. So even, it's just double it. And then there's odd ones. What if it's odd? Odd function. What do you need to see? Yeah, it's 0 every single time. Okay, is sign odd? Odd functions. All the other trig functions are odd. If I do I did cosine. Now I'm going to do sine. For sine, right? I'm going to go from negative pi to pi. This is as much area below as there is above every single time, because this is symmetrical across the origin. Which means that if I integrate from negative a to a of an odd function, dx, it's going to equal 0 every single time. What are odd functions? All the trig functions other than cosine and secant. X cubed, x to the 7th, x, all the odd numbers. So if I have x to the 7th minus x cubed plus 5x to the 5th, is that going to be odd? Yes. If it is odd, if I'm integrating from the same value left of the origin and right of the origin, it's going to end up being 0. And they use this every once in a while on the AP test. You'll read a problem and they'll tell you it's an even function or it's an odd function. And you don't have all the information to the left if they tell you it's even, and you use the right and you just double it, or you make it 0. Does that make sense? They'll give you information on one side and you use the even odd to get the other side. Oh. Okay? All right. You are now eminently qualified to do your homework.